you want to install the latest iOS or iPadOS beta on your iPhone or iPad, I'll show you exactly how to get beta updates on your device in just a few minutes, without a computer and without any cables. Before we start, remember that beta software is unfinished software. It may contain bugs, battery drain, overheating issues, app crashes, or features that don't work properly. Because of this, I highly recommend creating a full backup of your iPhone or iPad before installing any beta version. That way, your data stays safe if something goes wrong or if you decide to return to a stable version later. Now let's get started. The first thing you need is an Apple ID. Then open Safari and visit the Apple developer website. Sign in using the same Apple ID that is connected to your iPhone or iPad. If Apple asks you to accept a new developer agreement or terms and conditions, go ahead and accept them. Once you've done that, open the Settings app on your device. Then tap General and Software Update. Before continuing, check whether lockdown mode is enabled. If it is, turn it off temporarily because it can sometimes prevent beta updates from appearing. Now tap Beta Updates. Here you'll see the beta options available for your Apple ID. Depending on what's currently being tested by Apple, you may see a developer beta, a public beta, both of them, or even multiple beta versions that Apple is offering at that time. Select the beta version you want to install. Once the beta update appears, tap Update Now or download and install. If you ever want to stop receiving beta updates in the future, simply return and select Off. And that's it. That's the easiest way to install beta updates on an iPhone or iPad. If this guide helped you, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with someone who wants to try the latest Apple software, and subscribe for more iPhone tips, hidden features, tutorials, and iOS updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.